Okay. Hi guys, sorry for the new stream. We were having some issues with streaming software. We're now Lux filling, and you might have seen clouds venting from a rocket earlier. That is the gaseous oxygen, as we were venting excess pressure from the tank.
attentional. Here's another update from Preparation Officer. We currently have 7 rockets out at the rails. In the first window today, we had 1 flight. In the second window, we had 1 flight. Let's pray to the rocket gods for 7 flights in this window. On the Alpha 1 pads, the closer pads on the left side, we have Team 17 Ignite from Norway. In the Bravo rails, we have 3 rockets. It's HighEnd from Germany. They're on the Bravo 1 on the left side. They're making a new attempt. We also have on the Bravo 6 rail Team 24 SKA. And on Bravo 7, on the rightmost and largest rail, we have Team 28 VAR from Germany. In the faraway rails, the Charlie rails, we have ICLR, Imperial College London Rocketry. It will be their first attempt. They're flying in liquid, bi-liquid, 9-kilometer category. On the Charlie 4, we have Team Dare from Delft University in the Netherlands. On the Charlie 5 rail, we have Poly W flying in the liquid, bi-liquid, 3K category. Both Team VAR and Dare have remained loaded with propellant and locks since the previous window. The order of launches and launch operation is not clear yet. Most likely we'll start with the solids and Team 17 Ignite. We're already 10 minutes into the launch window. It's running from 15 to 17.
All right, another update. So we are right now starting to pre-chill, and that's it for now.
Okay, the current status is that we will probably launch second in this launch window following the launch of Ignite.
Red flag, we are in red flag, only essential personnel is in the team's area.
So the first flight out, Team 17 Ignite. Their project name is EuRoC. It's a young team situated in northern Norway, and EuRoC is their second ever rocket. And this time they're hoping for a full separation and mainnet apogee. Just kidding, a nominal flight. They also have the nicest handwriting I've seen so far on the flight cards. They're flying Cesaroni Pro 98, 6 grain, 11,000 Newton seconds. The various liquid and hybrid rockets are in various stages of filling propellant. Expect a very high space launch operation today, where we'll be shifting between the different teams here.
Alright, so we have tested if the LOX main valve works on the internal battery, and it did, so that's very good to hear.
Attention all, HighEnd and SKA rocketry are both loading propellant. Attention all, launch operation is expected to commence in 5 minutes.
So we'll go now to the last launch day of the launch window of the day. We'll be soon trying to launch some more teams, at least 3 by now. The teams are already on their way to the spectator area, so please move to the front of the tribune. So we need everyone in front of the tribune. Precisamos de toda a gente à frente da tribuna.
So the rocket is the second rocket Ignite ever launches. Our main goal was to improve everything that we did last time. Just to
Student
make
team
adjustments,
controls are still reporting that everything is phenomenal with HighEnd and Star rocketry. Ignite UAT is waiting.
Okay, it was the mission control telling us some news here, so we have to listen. As you were telling me.
Yeah, so the main goal has been to improve and evolve and become a better team, and we have already managed to do that. So the project has already been a success.
We'll have a short break as the other teams are preparing.
Okay, we heard the teams are that the teams are preparing. we have to wait just a little bit longer for the launch here. Is this your first time here?
No, this is our second time here actually. Last time went pretty well, and we hope to do even better this time.
Do you believe you will do even better?
I think so. I really do.
And what is your team feeling now?
My team is probably very excited, a bit stressed, but I mean now we have done everything we can do to make this a successful launch. So I just want my team to enjoy this moment, and yeah, we're just really looking forward to seeing it fly. We've been working for this intensely the last couple of weeks, so yeah, we're all very excited.
Since when are you working on this rocket?
We have been working on this rocket for a year now. We had a lot of new members onboarding, so we had to teach everyone, get everyone up to speed. So we have had a very steep learning curve. So yeah, it's been one year with a lot of work and yeah, triple the amount in the last couple of weeks. So everyone has been very, very good and have put in the extra work. So yeah, my team. I said it before, but I say it again. My team is the best team. They really push themselves to perform.
We have here a proud team leader.
Absolutely.
Amazing. And how is your stay being here?
We've enjoyed
Pyro,
ourselves.
go.
I mean,
I think we have some news, right? I heard
LC, go.
something. Okay, let's hear. Let's see.
Teams control, go. MC go, range safety go, all stations go for team 17 Ignite UAT. Rocket is going in T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition, lift off. Trajectory good.
And they are cheering. They are so happy. They screamed a lot. They are clapping because the projection was really good.
Apogee. Ballistic, 65 meters per second descending. 90 meters per second. Impact.
The team leader is saying some motivational words to her team. She's really proud of her team. Let's wait just a little bit because they are talking. As you can see, they are very united. because it was a lot of work, it was a lot of sleepless nights, and they are happy because they are here and they did it. So team leader, tell me, what are you feeling?
No, I mean, even if we went ballistic, I'm happy. My team has worked, as I said before, my team has worked very good the last couple of weeks and also during the whole project. So I'm just very proud, very proud.
What was you saying to your team?
I told them to not be disappointed. I told them that they did very good work. I also wished the recovery guys good luck and told them to bring a shovel.
Do you believe you can recover the rocket?
I mean, it went ballistic. Hopefully we have some coordinates so we can get parts of it. Hopefully we got some useful data as well, but I mean, ballistic rocket is... they usually get destroyed, so we're not too optimistic about that, but I mean, it's fine, it's fine.
What happened? Do you already know?
We don't know what happened though, but we know that our separation system would probably benefit from some more testing. We didn't have the time for that, so I really believe in the system. I just believe that we didn't get enough time to test it. So hopefully we will try again one time to make it work, to have revenge on the system, but yeah, I'm glad we tried. It was a bold move, and we were much bolder this year than we were last year. So, I mean, higher risk, high reward, but also it can go ballistic. So.
And what can you tell us that you know that you learned as a team?
As a team, we have learned teamwork. Of course, we have been really good at teamwork this year. We have managed to respect each other, help each other out, cooperate. So we are, yeah, we have learned, and we also learned a lot of engineering because, as I said, we have a lot of fresh members, and they have had a very steep learning curve. So we will come back stronger.
Thank you so much. They need you. They were telling me that they were waiting for their team leader, and they are hugging now.
To Team VAR. They're reporting that they're ready. Team SPA ignition, go. LC, go. Teams control, go. MC, go. Range safety, go. All stations, go. Stand by for team bar.
Everyone to the front of the tribune now. Toda a gente para a frente da tribuna.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Oh, we have a launch. And liftoff. Trajectory again. 1400 meter. Apogee, drug out. .20 meters per second under drug.
I see some tears. They had a really good liftoff. The parachutes opened.
1,200 meters downrange. .600 meters. We have a reefed recovery system here. Yes, it's slowing down. We have the reef system is functional. Main confirmed. Drifting down at 8 meters per second. And within 50 meters. Meters. Very soft touchdown. That was a great show, Team Bach.
It was an amazing launch. They are celebrating all together, hugging. I saw tears. So let me see if I can talk to one of them. Let's wait just a little bit longer because they are celebrating and they deserve it.
So we haven't given the update yet of the next flight, so please keep in front of the tribune.
What's up?
So tell me, what are you feeling?
This is incredible. This is insane. We didn't expect this to happen, honestly, because it was so. This is classic VAR, honestly, because we always launch in this last second. Because we honestly, all of us, we were standing in the corner. We thought Ska was launching, right? We didn't understand that VAR was launching, and then we saw a rocket on the screen. This is insane. God.
We're not expecting this.
We're not expecting this. No, comms were a little iffy, let's say, but this is insane. Yeah.
Tell me more about what happened. You had a really good liftoff, right?
Yeah.
And then the parachutes opened.
Yeah, because we had a reef system, right? This is the first time we were flying this, and it was completely successful. It was a total success, the reef system, which is really, really insane. I mean, you saw the recovery guys; they were celebrating, right? It's really nice.
They believe they can recover the rocket.
Sorry?
Because they believe they can recover the rocket.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, GPS might be missing, but we have a reefed system, which is really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my team.
Go ahead. Go celebrate. You deserve it. Congrats, guys. As you can see, they believe they can recover the rocket. It was a really good, soft and gentle landing, and the recovery guys here believe they can recover the rocket.
Launch operation is now shifting over to Team 24, Ska Rocketry, done Rail Bravo 6.
So as you can see, it was a really good launch.
Hybrid to 9,000 meters.
Okay, we have
Once
another
they've given
launch.
all the final go no goes, it will take about 60 seconds until launch. Actually, Skyrocketry is flying to about 3 kilometers. They were originally flying to 9, but the flight now will be to 3 kilometers.
Tirar o nome da team leader. Se calhar não.
So Skyrocketry is on the Bravo 6 rails. That is the rail right to the left of Team Var that flew.
Okay. A little update. Our rocket is sitting full of locks. The Dior is still connected, and we're standing by for the other launches. When it's our time to go, we will top it off, pre-chill a bit more, and then finally disconnect.
So guys, as you can see, we are still waiting for the next launch because safety is always a priority here in the European Rocketry Challenge. We will have to wait just a little bit longer. If you just join us on YouTube, my name is Sofia Rebana and I'm your host, the host of this incredible journey that's about to reach its final. It's been an extraordinary few days filled with innovation, teamwork, and a true passion for rocketry. Let's take a quick look back at what's happened so far, because EuRoC 2025 has already given us so many amazing moments, as you could see. On the first day, on the first launch day, we saw a fantastic start with two with 2 successful flights, including a remarkable launch from the BME team from Hungary, who impressed everyone with their performance. We also had a great liftoff from the Faraday team from Spain, another highlight of the opening day. Then came day 2, which began strong with the ASTG team from Austria. Their rocket had a perfect flight and set the bar high early in the day. Later, the Italian team Skyward closed the session. They didn't quite reach their target apogee, but they walked away proud, knowing their mission was a solid achievement. We also had great efforts from TUST, also from Austria, and EPFL from Switzerland, while Ares, another Swiss team, unfortunately couldn't launch due to technical issues. And then came yesterday, day 3, full of energy and variety. We had a great launch from the Bears team, one of the newcomers this year, showing excellent performance and precision. We also witnessed 2 static tests, which are always fascinating to watch as they give us a closer look into the propulsion and technical validation process. Several teams took their turn at the pad. Aurora from Italy, North Space from Portugal, CTU from Czechia, and Aspire from Greece, all making yesterday another memorable day here at EuRoC. Each of these flights represented months of work, even years, sleepless nights, and the pure excitement of seeing theory turn into reality. Today we had already VP Systems from Ukraine, our guests, Skyward for the second time from Italy. They had a hybrid rocket and they were the overall winners in 2022 and 2024. We also had now another team from Germany, VAR, and Ignite from Norway. They had a solid rocket. Now we will have to wait just a little bit longer for the next launches. We have here 7 teams to launch their rockets. I don't know if they will all launch their rockets today, but we will see. So stay tuned and stay with us to see if they will launch their rockets here on the launch site of the European Rocketry Challenge. Now we are at the last launch day. The atmosphere here on the field, as you could see, is a mix of excitement, anticipation, and a little bit of nostalgia, of course, because this is the last of 4 launch days. As teams get ready for their final opportunities to launch, we have to wait just a little bit longer. Some will try to reach their target apogees, as you know, others will focus on recovery, and all of them are here to make the most out of this final day. The teams have their tents buzzing with activity, last-minute checks on electronics, propulsion systems, and telemetry links, while Mission Control coordinates with safety officers for the final goal. As always, safety comes first. Sometimes we need to wait a little longer due to wind, humidity, or other weather conditions. Today, it's a really hot day here in Portugal. We had 28 degrees, so it's really hot. We have a sunny day with some clouds, but it is a clear sky. We see the liftoffs clearly, the rockets clearly today. So, but there's one thing EuRoC has taught us. It's that every delay it's worth it, because every launch is the result of precision and patience. Behind the scenes there's constant action, as you can see, teams reviewing data, checking valves, and fine-tuning every single system. It's all part of the rhythm of EuRoC. Moments of silence before the roar of the engines. As we reach the end of this year challenge, it's impossible not to feel inspired by the talent, dedication and passion of these students, as you could see. It's really inspiring to see the launches here, all the work coming to life, and the happiness, mostly the happiness. They are really united, they are really close, and it's amazing to see that they are happy here, that they learned a lot. Is really inspiring. So as we reach the end of this year's challenge, it's impossible not to feel so inspired by this. EuRoC is more than a competition, it's a stage for innovation, a community of dreamers and doers, and a glimpse into the future of European rocketry. So stay with us throughout this day, this last time window, last slot of the day for them to launch their rockets. We still have rockets to launch, stories to tell, and history to make here at the European Rocketry Challenge 2025. So let's make this final day unforgettable, guys. Stay with us, stay tuned here on YouTube, because we will show you everything here.
So we are still have 2 teams to launch, and we are now preparing to launch Ska and HighEnd. So please move to the front of the tribune.
Ska Rocketry Teams Ignition, reporting go. LC go. Teams control go. Mission control go, range safety go, all stations go. We're launching Team 24 Ska Rocketry on Bravo 6. It's going in T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. No launch.
So the Ska team didn't have a launch. The team from Poland has a hybrid rocket. Let me see if I can speak with them to see what happened. Hi guys, what happened?
Yeah, well, we think that well there was probably an issue with the igniter that we use, and yeah, that's all what we can speak right now. We are obviously quite frustrated right now, and yeah.
You didn't have more information.
No, not yet. I mean, it just happened. So
It's sooner, I understand. But you can do anything. The teams can't do anything now.
well.
What happens now?
I think that well, we could probably re-elaborate the pyrotechnic charges because, well, first of all, we use the pyrotechnic charge for the valve operations, and second of all for this igniter. But well, as this is the last launch window, well, I don't presume we can do much right now.
But you learn a lot, right?
What?
You learned a lot
Yes,
here.
of course, yes. Regarding the procedures that were adopted here and all of the organization around EuRoC, because we are here for the first time, and I think it's a worthy experience for us, for our team, and future attempts. But yeah.
Did
So
you
it
like
looks
the?
like with
Sorry,
the Sky
let's hear.
rocketry that it vented out the nitrous oxide, but we had no ignition. So the smoke was just dust blowing up. So that's sad. That's rocketry. Operation will be shifting to HighEnd, Team 15. They're on the Bravo 1 rails. Teams Control has reported they need about 15 minutes, 15 minutes before they're ready.
No, just a minute. So, can you explain to us what happened? What did you learn from this?
Yeah, what happened? So, as I said, our ignition procedure, probably as in all of the hybrid rockets, we first initiate the igniter, which produces hot gases, and it evaporates the fuel from the solid grain.
We just wanted to give a quick update that next HighEnd should be launching, and after that it should be our turn.
We had in history some issues with the igniter that we used. It's like a fourth or third iteration of this subsystem, so perhaps some improvements should be included, especially regarding including probably the possibilities and accessibility of pyrotechnic charges in the EuRoC to, let's say, fit for these rules and this environment. And so that's, I think, technically the best, the most what we've learned today. And throughout the whole EuRoC, the review system, the documentation preparations, I think we've also learned a lot. We've produced a lot of valuable documentation also for ourselves, for our future usage, and that's, I think, the most worthy part. And I think that's it.
Yes, of course. You have to be proud because it was a lot of work. It was a lot of sleepless nights, right?
HighEnd reports that they have completed loading nitrous oxide. Preparations are still nominal.
As I was saying, it was really hard work. You worked a lot. You studied a lot. It's a little bit frustrating, but you are proud. You must be proud.
Yes, of course. Yeah, as you said, last probably week from now, I don't think that the team had a mean sleep time more than 2 hours. So, yeah, there was a lot of work, a lot of preparations. It was intensive, but also great fun, and as in the whole rocketry branch, it is. So we are proud of what we are doing, and we hope for much better results next time, and also so a further development is obviously needed here. So
Do you want to come back next year?
Yes, I think so. I mean, the organization is kind of tricky at some points, but I think that we've learned in practice how to do it, how to handle the organization around the launch pad, also as I said, the documentation stage. I think that since we have this experience now, we can improve our actions and do better next time. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So as you can see and as you could hear, we have to wait a little bit longer. We will see if we will have more launches today here on launch site of the European Rocketry Challenge. This is the last slot. This is the last of 4 launch days. So stay with us. We will be back really soon.
soon try to launch the high-end team, so please move to the front of the tribune. So we need everyone to move to the front of the tribune. Team still coming from mission control, can you please speed up?
Teams ignition, go. LC, go. Teams control, go. Mission control, go. Range safety, go. All stations, go. We're launching Team 15 HighEnd from Bravo 1. Rocket is going in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition, liftoff. Trajectory good. Drog confirmed. Descending at 30 meters per second nominal. We have a pink and black drug parachute, and the main chute is red and white. Apogee was around 2,900 meters. Currently at 2,000 meters. $1,500. Downrange 2,500 meters. $1,000 We have the visual. $500. Main confirmed. Main deployed. $6 per second.
As you can see, they are celebrating, they are very happy.
Rocket is right above the Bravo 1 rails. We have a touchdown.
And we had touchdown. Let me see if I can talk to
The
one
bring
of them.
us all.
They are hugging, they are celebrating, they are really happy. They had a really good launch. I don't know if you know, but they have a mascot that is a shark because they are HighEnd. High is from shark. In German is shark. So they are the team HighEnd. Hi, how are you guys feeling?
I think we are very, very excited, very happy. Everything performed nominally as far as we can see. Recovery, ejected, ignition was good, and I think we are quite close to the 3-kilometer target.
It was a dream come true.
It was a dream come true with lots of setbacks over the last couple of days, a bunch of, let's say long nights, but it all paid off in the end.
Since when were you working on this rocket?
So we had the first ignition of a liquid engine at HighEnd ever in our history last year, and starting in March this year we were really starting with this liquid rocket. Before then was some
Go celebrate, I will talk to you in a minute. They deserve to celebrate, so let's wait a little bit longer. As you could tell, it was a really good launch.
Team HighEnd, that was a beautiful
what
flight.
they expected.
You really lived up to the project name Blast.
A lot of work paid off. Let me try to talk to one of them. So guys, as I was asking your colleague, it was a dream come true, it was what you expected. What comes next?
Just partying right now, I guess. We had a hell of the last 2 weeks, and we had to scrub today and yesterday, and right now in the paddock it didn't look good. We had a frozen valve, but it all worked out in the end, and right now we just have to, I don't know, live life.
And you can finally sleep.
Exactly, yeah, a lot of sleepless nights. We did like 3 all-nighters in a row, and I don't know what to say.
Do you believe you can recover the rocket?
We believe so, yeah. We had good touchdown and main deployed, and greetings to the recovery team.
What was the apogee?
I
You
don't
already know?
exactly.
Okay.
I operated the camera, but I think 2.9. I'm not sure though.
That is good,
That is
really good.
That is really, really good, yeah. And with a slightly broken valve. So, I don't know what to say.
So you can solve it. easily.
Yeah. We'll iterate and we'll get better and we'll do more, go higher hopefully. Exactly, yeah.
Do you want to come back next year?
If we're allowed to, sure. Yeah, we'll try. We'll submit a report and then hopefully until next year.
And with this result, do you believe you can win?
I'm not going to comment on that. We just want to fly rockets and do so good and build a better system and maybe.
You are happy making rockets, and that's the most important.
But if we win, I'm not going to complain about it.
I understand. Go celebrate. Thank you so much. Congrats, guys. So as you can see, they are really happy. It was what they expected. It was many days, months, years of hard work, of sleepless nights, and now they have to celebrate because they deserve it. It was a really good launch, and they deserve it. So we will wait here just a little bit longer because this is the last slot, the last time window to launch rockets here on the European Rocketry Challenge. We are on the last day of the launch days here on the military camp in Portugal. So we will have to wait to see if we can have more launches today because we want to see rocket launches. And I know you want it too. So while we wait, let me remind you what makes EuRoC so special because I really want to talk to you about this because if you don't know, this is the first and only competition of its kind in Europe, established by the Portuguese Space Agency back in 2020, and now, 6 editions later, it's grown into one of the most exciting stages for future aerospace engineers. We have here a future amazing professionals because many of them who compete here on the European Rocketry Challenge create their own companies, start to working in this industry because
the 3 remaining
this is
flights are all
let's hear, we have some news.
From the faraway rails, the Charlie rails. We're waiting for Team 12 there from the Netherlands, down Charlie 4. You can see their flag right behind the white tent downrange. It might look like a French flag, probably just hanging vertical. You will also see some small puffs of LOX that's venting out. This will be a really exciting flight. Project name Stratos 5. It's a LOX ethanol rocket, and with an engine that produces 11.5 kilonewtons of thrust. They also noted on their flight card, we hope something will happen. So do we.
So the Dare team from Netherlands will try to launch their rockets. We will wait to see if the team from Netherlands will launch the rockets. They have a liquid rocket and they want to reach the 3K. So let's see, we are on the moving to approach them. I will try to talk with one of the team members to see what they are feeling because this is a really exciting moment for them. They will try to launch again. So let me see if I can talk to them. Hi guys, who can speak with me? Yeah? Okay. Another team member. Okay, he's on the moving. Okay, no problem. Okay, I will talk to him later. So, what are you feeling, guys?
I think we're all incredibly nervous, but so excited. And for one time, I think we believe that something may happen because we have always said that nothing ever happens. But we're extremely excited, and yeah, we hope to hear it because, of course, 11 kilonewtons is very loud. So yeah, very excited, to not say the least, of course.
You are confident, guys?
Yeah, we are extremely confident. The system has been healthy for the past 2.5 hours. It has been completely ready to go. We've just been waiting on EuRoC to let us launch, and now they have let us launch, so we are ready and ready to go, ready to feel the rumble.
It's time. It's show time.
It's time. It is time. It is 100% time.
This team, as you can see, is really happy. They have already celebrated a lot here. So you are the only team from Netherlands, right?
We are the only team here from the Netherlands. There are a few other teams, but they have not gone to EuRoC yet. But yeah, today and this competition, we are the only Dutch team. Yes.
So this is a proud moment.
Yes, it is a very proud moment to represent the Netherlands, but also we are extremely proud to represent over 40 nationalities in there, and it's incredibly valuable to us to represent the entire world and as many nationalities as possible, because internationalism and globalism is incredibly important in this case. So yes.
How many team members are you guys?
So at EuRoC we're 30 people. For the Stratos 5 team, over 100 people have worked on this over the past 3 years, and even more over the past 5 years during the engine development. And in there, we're over 250 members.
And what can you tell me about your rocket?
Well, the rocket is over 5 meters long. It's really big. It's over 100 kilograms of dry mass, and we have 20 kilograms approximately of propellant mass. Yeah, and we are aiming to launch to 3 kilometers with an 11 kilonewton engine.
And how is going your experience here? Are you making a lot of friends? How it's going?
Yeah, it has been amazing to see the over 20 teams here at EuRoC. It has been an incredible experience and opportunity to just meet so many enthusiasts, so many rocketry nerds, and so many people who are truly passionate about what we do. And everyone is always helping each other when we're missing something, and the opportunity to be here is incredible. It's really, really nice to see the same mindset, the same knowledge that they want to learn, and the same environment. It's really, really impressive.
Thank you so much, guys. We will wait just a little bit longer for your rocket, for the launch of your rocket. So stay tuned, stay with us on live on YouTube. We will show you everything. So as I was saying, they have a liquid rocket. The target apogee is 3K. They are from Netherlands. They are the only team on this edition from Netherlands, and they are really proud and really happy to be here, as you could tell. So guys, stay with us. We will be launching another rocket. We will be sending another rocket on the skies today. So stay tuned, stay with us.
A little update, all systems are now armed and the LOX Duer has been disconnected.
Team Dare preparations are ongoing, still nominal.
So we'll next try to launch there. They are in their final preparations, maybe 5 minutes, and then we launch them. So please move to the front of the tribune. por favor, comecem a ir para a frente da tribuna.
Here because they are looking at a big screen. They are seeing what is happening. As you see, now we will have the Dare team from Netherlands, the only team from Netherlands here on the competition on the European Rocketry Challenge. They are very anxious, they're really nervous, but let's see what happens.
Team's control is arming the rocket.
As always, safety comes first. Sometimes we need to wait a little bit longer due to wind, humidity, other weather conditions. The team is here very excited. They are looking at the big screen to see what is happening. You are seeing the same as the team now on our live. They are clapping because they are looking at their rocket. I can tell they are really proud of their rocket. It is a lot of hard work, a lot of sleepless nights. So they are really happy to be here, really proud.
Team's control is still running through the checklists. Everything nominal.
As you can see, we have here a very excited team. Behind the scenes, there's constant action. And as we reach the end of this year's challenge, it's impossible not to feel inspired by this, by the talent, by the dedication and passion of these students. EuRoC is more than a competition. It's a stage for innovation, a community of dreamers and doers, as you can see here. As you can see, they are preparing everything. So stay with us. Don't leave the live. We will show you everything. We still have rockets to launch on this last day, the last day of 4 launch days in the European Rocketry Challenge. The first and only competition of this kind in Europe. We have stories to tell, history to make here at the European Rocketry Challenge 2025. So let's make this final unforgettable. We had already VP Systems from Ukraine to launch here their rocket, Skyward from Italy with a hybrid rocket. They were the overall winners in 2022 and in 2024. We had Ignite from Norway, a solid rocket. VAR from Germany. HighEnd, and now we will wait for the launch of their team, the team from Netherlands. We have students here from all over Europe. We are talking about over 600 students, almost 700 students from many, many countries. We saw teams here from...
Team there is evacuating the launch pad. We're getting ready for the next step of the go, no-goes.
As you could hear, we are getting
ready. This rocket
ready.
engine has a really high impulse. Team there is reminding the audience to hold for your ears. It's only 3-second burn, but it's a really high impulse.
So they are saying we have to be careful with the ears because of the rocket, the sound that the rocket will make.
The members of team there are returning, so everyone to the front of the tribune, please. Os membros da DER estão a caminho, toda a gente para a frente da tribuna, por favor.
We have to wait for these 2 team members of DER, the team from Netherlands. They were cheering because they are returning. They are coming back here for the safe zone. We all have to be here because of safety reasons. Safety always comes first here.
There
on
is
this
pressurizing the rocket for flight.
With us, we have firefighters, we have the army, we have police, and it's always everything controlled, under control. So let's wait just a little bit longer. We will have news very soon. You can tell by their faces they are really, really anxious. I'm anxious and nervous for them. They are telling me, yeah. Yeah, they are really nervous. But it's normal, it's part of the game. Because this is a really important moment for them. Even when there's a bit of weight, no one stands really still. they stand still here on the safety zone, on the safe zone, but you know that behind every successful launch there's a process that starts days before. It begins in the paddock at the Constancia Sports Pavilion on the first days, where teams go through the Flight Readiness Review, or FRR. That's when a board of experts, the Technical Evaluation Board, checks every detail to make sure the rocket is safe and ready to fly. Once the FRR is approved, teams move here to the launch site. Then they go through one more crucial step, the Launch Readiness Review.
Just an update on the launch window. We were able to get an extension of the launch window until 18 p.m. So we have one more hour to launch the remaining teams.
They are clapping because we extended the time window. They have one more hour to launch the rockets. They are showing a sign that says, "Don't panic." I will ask our director to show the sign because it's funny. Don't panic, yeah. Everything be all right. They have news, I think. They are prepared. It's almost. They just need to wait a little bit. They are really nervous, as you can see. But yeah, as I was saying, if they get the green light here for the launch readiness review, their rockets can be
assembled. Ignition go.
Okay, it's time.
LC go. Teams control, stand by. We have a hold on team's control. Attention all. Unfortunately, we have a scrub here for Team Gear. They're experiencing a leak in one of the LOX lines. And we have to scrub the flight. Please give them a big round of applause for the attempt. 110 dB applause.
Everyone here is clapping for the DARE team. We had mission out. I will try to see if I can
While
speak.
we are still waiting for the update on the other teams, please keep in front of the tribune. To the front of the tribune again.
Let's wait just a little bit longer. So, to see if we can have some news. You can see they are disappointed, they are sad. They were really, really excited for the launch. Can I speak with you? Ask you some questions? What happened?
We're not sure yet, but apparently there was a leak in the LOX system, maybe in the LOX tank, and we're not sure if we can recover from this. It is a heartbreaking moment for the team. This was a long time coming, and it's one of the hardest moments that we've faced as a team, basically. We've been here day and night for 3 days, going here at 7 a.m. every day to get the rocket to launch, and unfortunately it wasn't meant to be. After 2.5 hours holding the cryo fuel in our tank, the oxidizer, it seems like we were holding either for too long, or yes, we're probably holding for too long, and because of that, because we were holding for too long, something happened, and I don't know, our team is just sad that something happened that might have not been out of in our control, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
It's a little bit frustrating, I understand, because it was really a lot of sleepless nights, really hard work. So
yes, people have been working on this project for 5 years. The engine development started 5 years ago in 2020, and the rocket development started 3 years ago. We are really passionate about what we do. We really want to break the boundaries about what is possible in rocketry. We have innovative pressure systems that no team has. We have an engine that is in a category of its own in student rocketry. And we are known all over the world, but unfortunately this time in EuRoC it was not meant to be. This will definitely not be the end of liquid rocketry for there. But for today, I think unfortunately it's not meant to be.
it's really hard, but you guys should be proud. It was a lot of work, you studied a lot, you made a rocket. That's really, really hard. And I saw that you were really united. You are a great team. So you guys have to be proud.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. So as you can see, not everything goes as planned. Sometimes...
Just a small update on the operations. Since we still have some time to the end of the window, we'll still try to have PolyW and Imperial College launching. They need more or less 20 minutes. So by now, you can return to your areas and then I will call you again.
We will try to see if we can have more launches today. So we will have to wait a little bit longer. As you can see on our image, on our live and image from our drone, we have a lot of team members running because they are preparing everything.
You said rocketry wasn't a sport. So we have ICLR rushing down to the rail. We are giving them some time to work out some issues on the rocket, and same with PolyW.
So guys, hold on just a little bit longer. Stay with us because we will come back hopefully with another launch. Stay tuned.
Attention all, we would like the team lead of Team SKA to report to mission control. Team SKA to mission control.
So we will try to have next the launch of ICLR from United Kingdom. They have a liquid rocket. They are an experienced team in their 5th EuRoC, debuting Pluto. And we will try to have 2 more launches today. One launch for the SKA team and another one from, I will try to understand with my team what is the other one. Oh, Poli W from Poland. So we will try to have these 3 teams launching their rockets here. So stay tuned. Let's see if we will have more launches today in the European Rocketry Challenge. This is the 4th and last day of the launch days here on the competition, so stay tuned.
Attention all, the teams have about 8 minutes left on the rails, so they're desperately working out remaining issues. So we will have about 20 minutes. We hope to get at least one rocket off.
Yeah, it seems today's launch unfortunately did not go as planned. Despite our team's tireless preparation and dedication, we experienced a LOX leak that prevented us from launching. We would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our team in Portugal and the hundreds of members who worked relentlessly to make this attempt possible, and DARE as a whole for their perseverance throughout the project.
A big thanks also goes out to our sponsors and especially the TU Delft, Cajun Aramid, 3D Systems, Nippon Gases, the 981st Squadron, and Ramanox for their continued trust and support. While this result is disappointing, their contributions remain vital in pushing the boundaries of student rocketry. Achievements in aerospace are built on both successes and failures, and every setback brings us closer to learning and improving.
Please head to the EuRoC livestream for the remaining team launches, and thank you for following our livestream today. Goodbye.